Low-impact, high-intensity cardio equipment is ideal for losing body fat, boosting endurance, and improving overall health while keeping your joints in good shape. One of the best machines that fit these specifications is the exercise bike. With countless models to choose from, the XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding exercise bike holds strong in the top ranks due to its comfort, quality, versatility, and more. Don't go anywhere if you want to know everything about how the FB150, because our guide has everything you need. Contoured seat. The extra-large seat comes with a thick layer of padding contour to fit the natural curves of your body instead of working against it. If you're someone who likes extended cycling sessions, you'll appreciate this comfy addition. Durable build quality. As you may already know, one of the most durable materials in the world is steel. The two-piece X-frame, which makes up the bulk of the XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding exercise bike, is made of exactly that. Despite being so durable, it's actually pretty light and easy to move around. All metals are finished with a rust-resistant, chip-resistant paint to ensure that no sweat or regular usage diminishes the quality. Even the pedals come comprised of 3 pieces for added resilience. Easy assembly. Thankfully, the bike's main frame comes pre-assembled. That means all you have to do is attach the seat post, seat, handlebars, bases, pedals, and console. If you do it yourself, it shouldn't take you more than an hour. EKG sensors. With pulse sensors on each side of the handlebars, you can measure your heart rate. Of course, they are not as accurate as, say, a heart rate strap around the chest, but they are better than nothing and give you an idea of how you performed throughout the workout. Magnetic resistance options. With a manual magnetic resistance system, you can adjust difficulty simply by turning the dial clockwise or counterclockwise. You get 8 resistance levels in total, which is more than enough for accomplishing an array of fitness goals. Portability and storage. On the front base bar, you'll find a set of wheels that make it easy to tip the bike and roll it around wherever it needs to go. If you need to stow it away, it's easy to fold it up into an even more compact size to fit in a closet, behind a door, in a corner, etc.